Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Math 20-1 lesson, we are doing 10 worked examples on rational expressions and equations, outcomes in 4 and 5 and 6. We will move slowly through restrictions, simplifying, multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting, solving rational equations, and identifying extraneous roots. If this helps, please like the video and subscribe. Example 1. Find the non-permissible values for x plus 5 over x squared minus 9. Non-permissible values come from the denominator. Factor x squared minus 9 as x minus 3 times x plus 3. Set each factor equal to 0. The restricted values are x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. Example 2. Simplify x squared minus 16 over x squared minus 5x plus 4. First factor everything. The numerator factors as x minus 4 times x plus 4. The denominator factors as x minus 1 times x minus 4. Cancel the common factor x minus 4. The simplified expression is x plus 4 over x minus 1, with restrictions x cannot equal 1 or 4. Example 3. Multiply x squared minus 25 over x squared minus x minus 20 times x minus 5 over x plus 5. Factor the first numerator as x minus 5 times x plus 5. Factor the first denominator as x minus 5 times x plus 4. Now cancel common factors carefully. The simplified product is x minus 5 over x plus 4. Example 4. Divide x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 over x plus 1. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Factor x squared minus 1 as x minus 1 times x plus 1. Factor x squared plus 2x plus 1 as x plus 1 squared. After canceling, the answer is 1. Example 5. Add 7 over x minus 2 plus 3 over x minus 2. The denominators are already the same, so keep the denominator and add the numerators. 7 plus 3 is 10. The answer is 10 over x minus 2, with restriction x cannot equal 2. Example 6. Add 2 over x plus 3 over x plus 4. The least common denominator is x times x plus 4. Rewrite 2 over x as 2 times x plus 4 over x times x plus 4. Rewrite 3 over x plus 4 as 3x over x times x plus 4. Add the numerators to get 5x plus 8 over x times x plus 4. Example 7. Subtract 5 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x plus 3. The least common denominator is x minus 1 times x plus 3. The first numerator becomes 5 times x plus 3. The second numerator becomes 2 times x minus 1. Subtract the entire second numerator. After simplifying, the answer is 3x plus 17 over x minus 1 times x plus 3. Example 8. Solve 3 over x equals 2 over x plus 1. First, x cannot equal 0 or negative 1. Multiply both sides by x times x plus 1. This gives 3 times x plus 1 equals 2x. Expand to get 3x plus 3 equals 2x. Subtract 3x, so 3 equals negative x. Therefore x equals negative 3, and it is allowed. Example 9. Solve 5 over x minus 1 equals 2 plus 3 over x minus 1. The restriction is x cannot equal 1. Multiply every term by x minus 1. We get 5 equals 2 times x minus 1 plus 3. Simplify to 5 equals 2x plus 1. Then 4 equals 2x, so x equals 2. Since 2 is not restricted, the solution is x equals 2. Example 10. Solve 1 over x minus 2 plus 3 equals x minus 1 over x minus 2. The restriction is x cannot equal 2. Multiply every term by x minus 2. We get 1 plus 3 times x minus 2 equals x minus 1. Simplify to 3x minus 5 equals x minus 1. Then 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. But x equals 2 is restricted, so it is extraneous. The equation has no solution. Great work! For rational expressions, always start with restrictions. Factor before simplifying, multiplying, or dividing. Use a common denominator for addition and subtraction. For rational equations, multiply by the least common denominator, then check your answer against the restrictions. If a solution is restricted, it is extraneous. Like the video and subscribe for more Math 20-1 worked examples.